Menteri Ramba jang kejala Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ulakam bagai jing syarem jang ke parti BJP haki election Lok Sabha padang syudem haki lai teli kejala jang ke than syatai lamingi kadai namar pakadon kawai ke kynhun niam kabelai pyrshah ia ke sarkar bat ke parti BJP ha bakren sekilat pathai kubor Himanta Biswa Sarma ulong bagai jing syarem jang ke parti hajala meghalaya na kalan bat Manipur kadai namar baki don ki kynhun niam ki baikun pyrshah ia ke sarkar bat parti ha katai ke jaka ha ke bakani ke kynhun niam ke don bun pha ki paj rungej ha katai ke than ul ong ro ba kam sim ladai setia ka jing syarem ha ka san himasima hanrai kadai ke jing mikun pyrshah ya kine ki kynhun niam namar hana kalan meghalaya bat Manipur ki don ki kynhun niam bat kinang lam jong kine kiniam ki pomjudon benta ha ka san bathai hanrai menta ka ganti ki don bentalang ul ong ro ba ki don kum kine ki kynhun hajala Assam ro ki bailai pyrshah ya ke parti BJP hanrai ya ke jing syarem jong ki NPP ha meghalaya bat NDA hajala nakalan ha ban kali ya unai puirio bat ukondrat kongkal sama
NDA allies NDP, NPF and MPP have lost. Is there a concern?
There are state level issues, particularly in this election. Meghalaya, Nagaland and Manipur. A particular religion openly went against our government in those days, or openly done against the NDA. And that religion has tremendous followers in those states. So that has made the difference. It is not a political defeat because nobody can fight with a religion. So if tomorrow all the Sankaracharya seats and say that Himanta must lose, how can I fight with all the four Sankaracharya? So in Nagaland, in Manipur and in Meghalaya, the specific reason is that a particular religion or leader of those religion works against the certain political party. Usually they do not interfere in politics, but this time for whatever reason they interfered in politics, including Assam. Even Assam also we could not get votes of that particular religion because for whatever reason I have seen in the field, they have openly worked against the NDA this time. So that's my observation. But specific reason why Meghalaya has been lost and DDP has been lost, you have to ask from Mr. Rio and Mr. Sang.